In this chapter, we will explore the Resources page. Start by clicking on the Resources button. Teachers are encouraged to consult this page regularly as the CSLP team continues to develop bilingual job aids, lesson plans, and supplemental materials to help support the use of ePEARL in the classroom. You can also access all of the video support materials from this convenient point to preview and show these videos as part of a lesson in class. Reflecting. How can you most effectively organize your class in the teacher environment? Here are some ideas. Prior to using ePEARL with your class, you should review the setup for the students. For example, if students are missing, you can add them, and you can verify that your classes have been linked to you. You can check that your students have been assigned the correct ePEARL level by the computer. The recommended levels are Level 1 for kindergarten through grade 2, Level 2 for grades 3 through 6, and Level 3 for grades 7 through 12. Finally, see your sub-administrator if a teacher does not appear in the school list. She or he must be added to the database by the sub-administrator for ePEARL in your school. In this chapter, you have learned about the teacher environment, how to access My Account to change your information, how to access My Classes to change your class's nickname, link your class to other classes or other teachers, how to access My Students to change passwords, levels in ePEARL, or view your students' portfolios, and finally, the content and use of the Resources page. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the Print button.